Hold on to your hats, folks. You won't believe what happened when we pitted these two hybrid SUVs against each other in the Australian outback. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a hybrid SUV showdown for the ages. We've got the Denza B5 going toe-to-toe with the Starray. We're doing it all right here in the beautiful but unforgiving Australian landscape. Now, both of these SUVs are promising fuel efficiency and a comfortable ride, but only one can truly conquer the outback. We'll be putting them through their paces, testing their off-road capabilities, assessing their interior comfort and tech, and of course, scrutinizing their fuel economy. The Starray has been a popular choice, known for its sleek design and established reputation. But the Denza B5 is the new kid on the block. It's packed with innovative features and a bold claim to be the best hybrid SUV on the market. So buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. We're not holding anything back, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which hybrid SUV deserves your hard-earned cash. Prepare for mud, dust, and maybe even a few surprises along the way. Let's get started and see which machine truly reigns supreme. I personally am keen to see how well each performs in real-world conditions, especially considering the unique challenges presented by the Australian outback. This isn't just a test. It's a battle for hybrid SUV supremacy. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty. We subjected both the Denza B5 and the Starray to a series of rigorous tests. First up, off-road performance. We threw them into some seriously challenging terrain, and honestly, the Denza B5 blew us away. Its advanced four-wheel drive system and higher ground clearance gave it a significant advantage over the Starray. It handled rocky inclines and muddy trails with ease, while the Starray struggled to keep up. Then we moved on to fuel efficiency, which is a major selling point for both of these hybrids. The Denza B5 consistently outperformed the Starray in our tests, delivering impressive mileage even under demanding conditions. This is where the B5 truly shines. It saves you money in the long run, plain and simple. But of course, it's not all about power and efficiency. We also spent some time examining the interiors. While both SUVs offer comfortable seating and decent legroom, the Denza B5 boasts a more modern and tech-savvy design. Its infotainment system is intuitive and responsive,